अरे वाह, कितना बेहतरीन फोड़ा यार एक हाथ से।
And you can see here, by following the recipe, we have the new object, the product cheese omelette, and meet our object. And here is the important JVM, the safe, and JVM also.
Java virtual machine.
Yes. So you can see here recipe, JVM, and the final product here. ठीक है?
मतलब ये क्लास है, ये JVM है, और ये ऑब्जेक्ट है.
Hello friends, are you surprised by my look? Or are you surprised by the video which you just saw? Let me assure you that this video has strong connection with the Java. Okay, so be with me. So here in the recipe, there is a cheese omelette recipe which you saw, and you saw the actual product how our friend Mr. Pundi made this. So see here the steps. Make an egg batter by mixing eggs and salt and pepper. Put oil in the pan and cumin seeds and chop onion and pour egg butter. So this is the recipe which we have. Recipe is simply the set of instructions for making a particular cookie, or you can say any product, any food item. The same way in the Java we have a very important concept, that is classes and objects. So classes is nothing. Let me tell you the difference, mainly what is a class and what is object. So mainly we say that class is a blueprint for an object. So let me write it here and tell you. So I am going to show you what is classes and object. Okay, so mainly a class is nothing. By definition, a class is a blueprint for an object. Okay, by following the instructions. Blueprint means instructions in a short word or in an understandable word. You could say that a class is a set of instructions for creating an object. So class is a set of instructions to make an object. So are you wondering here that who will be making the object? In Java there is JVM. In our example, in our video, you saw the self. He is in the place of JVM. So JVM reads the classes, the class file, that is compiled file, dot class file. So here is your JVM. Okay, and here is your dot class file. And JVM reads this dot class file, and then it creates object. So I think you got the concept of JVM dot class file and object. So in you can see here I have written for you to understand better that in case of our video example, recipe is in place of class file, that is dot class file, and who reads the recipe, the same way JVM reads the dot class file, and then who follows the instructions and creates an egg omelette. The same way JVM follows the dot class file, reads the dot class file, follows the instructions and creates the object of that particular type. I think you got the concept. Okay, so see you in the next video.